In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Microsoft Forms results. Whether you're a teacher looking at quiz results, a manager reviewing team feedback, or just curious about the answers to your latest survey, Microsoft Forms is a powerful tool that makes this process seamless. Let's dive right into how you can access and review the responses to your forms. First things first, head on over to Microsoft Forms. It's part of the Office 365 suite, so if you're already using applications like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint online, you're in the right ecosystem. Simply navigate to the Forms website. Once there, you'll be greeted with a sign-in prompt. This is your gateway to all the forms you've created or have been shared with you. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You'll be asked for your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Office 365 account. This is crucial as Microsoft Forms uses your Office 365 credentials to provide access to your forms. After entering your email, click Next. Next up, it's time to key in your password. Remember, security first. Ensure you're entering it correctly. If you've set up two-factor authentication, and I hope you have for an added layer of security, be prepared to approve the sign-in request on your device or enter a verification code. Then once more click Next. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken to the Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll see all the forms you've created and those shared with you. Browse through your dashboard to find the form whose results you're interested in viewing. Found it? Great. Now click on your chosen form to open it. At the top you'll notice several tabs. Look for one labelled Response. This is where Microsoft Forms aggregates all the responses to your form. Click on that tab to access the results. Once in the Responses section, you'll see an overview of the data collected. Microsoft Forms does an excellent job of presenting this information in an easy to digest format. You'll see summaries, charts, and can even download the data for a deeper dive. But if you want to review each response individually, look for a button or link marked Review Answers. Clicking on Review Answers transitions you to a view where you can peruse each submission in detail. This is particularly useful for open-ended questions where you might want more context than a chart can provide. Take your time to go through the responses, and there you have it. That's how you access and review the results of your Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is an intuitive tool, but knowing exactly where to look for and how to interpret your data can make a world of difference in how you utilize this information. Whether it's for class quizzes, team feedback, or event planning, the insights gained here can be incredibly valuable. Remember, the key to making the most out of Microsoft Forms is experimentation. Play around with the types of questions, the design of your form, and how you analyze the results. Each form and its responses can provide you with unique insights, helping you make more informed decisions based on the feedback you receive. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this walkthrough has made viewing your Microsoft Forms results simpler and more intuitive. Stay tuned for more guides on making the most out of Microsoft's powerful suite of Office applications. Happy form making and data analyzing.